Hi guys, it's been a month since I published the last episode. I was so busy on some other projects. And one more thing, I changed my environment to Macintosh just to try this out. If you are on Ubuntu or Windows, you can continue with whatever environment you have. So let's dive into the code. Today's episode, we want to integrate React navigation for navigation purpose. So we are using React navigation library. Before that, we need to do some event bindings from primary button to its parent component. So that's the first task. Um, so first we can place the initial launch screen here. Yeah. Uh, if we press the login button, we will not get any actions. So for that, we are trying to bind the on-press event from primary button to its parent initial launch screen. So let's go to the primary button screen. On press, write on press equals on press and place this inside this props and copy the function, open the initial launch screen, and inside primary button you can place the on press button here. On press button equals this dot on press next and bind this inside constructor. On pressed next we can name it as login. On press login. On press login equal to this dot on pressed login button dot bind this. Okay. Put an arrow function and we can give an alert which says login button pressed. Let's test this. When you press login button, an alert will be appear. We can do the same thing for the create new account button. Go to the create new account button and type on press button equals this dot on press create new account. This dot on press create new account equals this dot on press create new account button dot bind of this. create account button pressed. Okay, let's test this. Yes, it works. Okay, so now we integrate that event function within our parent component. Next step is to integrate React navigation. So we have three types of navigations: tab navigation, stack navigation, and draw navigation. In this episode, we are integrating stack navigation with the navigation between the screens. So for that, go to the React navigation official documentation. We use the latest version of React navigation, version 5. And first step is to install the React navigation library. Install the navigation library. Navigation library is installed. So next is we need some more couple of dependencies. We'll copy the dependencies from here and install it. Okay, so next we need to import React Navigate native gesture handler at the top of app.js. Yeah, here. And then next step is to install stack navigation. Here we can see the boilerplate code for writing the stack navigation. So we can copy the same first. Okay, stack navigation is installed, and we can import navigation container and create stack navigator from React navigation libraries. So we can copy the same. Yeah. Okay, create navigation container and create stack navigator. We can create a stack navigator. So const stack equal to create stack navigator, and then remove the initial on screen from here and wrap the whole screen within navigation container. And inside the navigation container we can create stack navigation. Stack dot navigator and inside Stack Navigator we can write specific screens. Stack dot screen equal to stack dot screen, and component equals splash screen, and name of the root is splash screen. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, something went wrong. Action navigate with payload name initial launch screen was not yeah, there is one issue. I've already tried the same code, so we can remove it from here. Yeah, now it's working. As you can see, at the top of this page you can see the navigation header. So we can remove that header actually using screen options, and header shown is false. Yes, you can also remove the header from within that specific route. Options, header shown false. Let's remove this. Yes, so working like this. We can specify all the screens inside Stack Navigation. Copy it and paste. So first screen is splash screen, and then from splash screen we can move to the initial launch screen. So the root name is initial launch screen and the component name is initially launch screen. Yeah, there is a duplicate name. Yes, so next the third screen is sign up screen 1. It's pretty simple. And third screen is initial sign up screen 2. Yeah, we can remove header for all the screens. So here we can inside screen options, header shown false. Okay, now we are integrated Stack Navigation. So next is how we can move from one screen to another in React Navigation. So first is splash screen. We can give a timeout function here. So set timeout. Okay, now set timeout. Give it 4 seconds. This dot props dot navigate to name of the route. We can give initial launch screen. Yeah. Yes, after 4 seconds the navigation will happen and it will navigate to the initial launch screens. And here we have two navigations mainly. First one is login and second one is create new account. And inside login we already on press login action is binded, so we can write the navigation here. This dot props dot navigation dot navigate to sign up screen. So this is actually a login, so we want to go to login button, and we missed that login route here. We can write the login route here. Where is the login screen? Yeah, got it. Paste it here. Done. Copy the name of that route, login screen, and paste it here. Okay, so then now we can test. When we press login button, it will navigate to login screen. We can do the navigation to the create new account screen from here. So first is sign up screen 1 and paste it here. Let's rerun the project. And now the app is re-rendering, so we can check whether it is working. Executing. Yes. So from splash screen, after 4 seconds it will navigate to the initial launch screen. From here we have two options, create account and login. When we press the create new account, it will navigate to the create new account. If we press back, it will go back to the initial launch screen. When we press the login screen, it will navigate to the login screen. And in login screen, there we can see a sign up button here, so we can navigate from that link also. So in the login screen, yeah, sign up. So let's wrap this text inside a touchable opacity. Font press. These props to navigate to login screen. No, it's actually sign up screen 1. Yes. What happened? Cannot add a child that doesn't have a without a machine. No idea. Let's reload it. Press. Cannot add a child that doesn't have. Oh, I think it's something related to touchable opacity. Yeah, so we can't bind a touchable opacity inside a text. Yeah, that's the issue. So we can remove the touchable opacity from here, and let's bind the whole content inside a touchable opacity. Yeah, on press this dot props dot navigation dot navigate to sign up screen 1. It's reloaded. Yeah, it's working. And one more thing, here you can see a login button, so we can do the login button navigation and next button navigation. So in the initial sign up screen 1, we have a next button. Yeah, this is the next button, and in next button we can bind to the onPress action event. Primary button, onPress button, onPress button equals this dot onPress next. Inside constructor, this dot onPress next equal to this dot onPress next button dot props dot navigation dot navigate to sign up screen 2. Yes, so just try it out. Yeah, it's going to confirmation page. So this is how we can integrate stack navigation in our React Native application, and in the next episode we can integrate tab navigator and draw navigators. So thank you guys, bye.